Google Chrome critical error? True or fake? Alert. The Google Chrome critical error is a fake error message that is displayed by malicious websites. The message claims that your computer is infected with malware and that you need to call a certain phone number to fix the problem. Do not call the phone number. It is a scam. The only way to fix the problem is to force close the malicious website with Task Manager and scan your computer for malware later. Additional steps include: use Chrome to scan for malware. Delete browser data. Back up your data, and reset your browser. Here are some tips on how to avoid. The Google Chrome critical error, *, be careful about what websites you visit. Only visit websites that you trust. *, do not click on links in emails or on social media that you are not expecting. *, keep your antivirus software up to date. *, use a pop-up blocker. *, be careful about what extensions you install in Chrome. *, if you see the Google Chrome critical error, close the malicious website and scan your computer for malware. If you are still having trouble with the Google Chrome critical error, you can contact Google support for help. Case study: Google Chrome critical error from the 866-553-1952 owner. Microsoft support: 866-553-1952.